Good morning and welcome to another Lainox recipe. Today I want to show you how we can make many different types of snacks using our high-speed oven Oracle. Oracle is what for us is the perfect solution, especially for bar, pubs and even bistro, which wants to make many different snacks but not using many different pieces of equipment in order to make it. In the example of today, I'm going to show you how we can make a frozen pizza. So the frozen pizza is a really popular dish that we can find all over. But it would take, of course, a piece of equipment, a specific piece of equipment for making it, which is the pizza oven. In Oracle, instead, we are able to cook this same pizza just going in, closing the door, and then just reminding to click once on the recipe. After I made that, I don't need no longer to check and make any type of management on the recipe. So traditionally, of course, I would use for sure a pizza oven. If I need to make some other recipes like chicken wings, like sandwiches, I would need to use even other types of equipment, of pieces of equipment. So that's the way how I can have, with Oracle, a really consistent quality days and days after. Because whoever is going to use Oracle is going to achieve this same result days and days after. And then of course, without occupying a lot of space. How much space does a pizza oven occupy in a kitchen? Many times we cannot even install it because we have not the space where to fit it. Oracle instead can be placed in whatever table we have, because the only thing you will need is just to be plugged in. After I've made that, I'm going straight away to cook all my types of product without having even to install an extraction hood. And then, of course, this type of piece of equipment is going to make my organization easier. Because imagine in this moment that I am, for example, a bartender, I have all the time to make the drinks for my customer while Oracle is bringing this recipe to be cooked in just 1 minute 45. As you heard, as soon as Oracle is calling, I just need to take out my product and I'm ready to serve it straight away to my customer. Thanks to the 3 technologies of Oracle, I'm able to have a really crispy result thanks to the impeachment, a cooking that will be perfect, evenly cooked all around, and then, of course, thanks to the microwave, I'm going to really speed up all my cooking process in just a few minutes. So here we are, and even our pizza is now ready to be served. But of course, this is not the only recipe I can make in Oracle. We have plenty other recipes that we could start to make in Oracle. So if you want to know more about that, if you want to know more about the potential of Oracle, you can just visit the Lainox website at lainox.com and see what is the best solution and the most suitable solution for yourself. And then of course I remind you also to follow us on our social media like Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram, where of course you can be always updated about the latest news that we make for our customer. So thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you next time with the next video.